Hi, I'm Shad, once again coming to you from Atitlan Organics. Today we're going to be checking out seed propagation, which is the first and most well-known form of plant propagation. Naturally, everyone thinks, how do you get more plants? Oh, you plant a seed. And yes, most plants are flowering plants and they produce a viable seed. What's special about seed propagation is it is the only form of propagation that is sexual in nature. All the other forms of propagation are asexual, which means that they produce material that is genetically identical to the parent plant. Seed propagation, on the other hand, produces new genetic expressions because the two parent plants both contribute genes, which creates a new opportunity for diversity. Seed propagation is quite intuitive. I like to make this first mention that all of our common annual vegetables, excluding potatoes, are planted by seed. So as we go forward into the other videos, if you think of root division, for example, and you think of a radish is not planted by root division. It's an annual vegetable. It's planted by seed. All of our common vegetables, broccoli and cabbage and lettuce and carrots, all of those types of things are either annual or biennial plants, which means they live and die within 1 to 1.5 years. That means they put a lot of energy into seed. So there's the first thing. Any of your common vegetables, any plants that live and die in less than a year or 1.5 years, that's a good suggestion that you use the seed to propagate the plant. The seed is also directly related to the flower or the fruit of a plant. So the pattern in nature is always flower, then a fruit if there is one, and then a seed. So if you see a flower, check a dried flower, an older flower, to see if there is bigger viable seeds in there. When you see flower, think seed. Similarly, when you eat a papaya or an apple, you notice that there's seeds inside, similar to a squash or a tomato. Any fruit that contains the seed suggests that the seed is the best way to propagate the plant.